Hi, my name is Merlin. Today I'm going to talk about what I learned today. So I was really like since yesterday I was really sick. So like I never been this kind of sickness. So I was not really to I was not able to do something. So I'm just gonna recap what I studied like at at this Friday. So I'm learning operating system. So I literally have no knowledge of operating system because I mean I have no chance of learning it. Seriously, I just like, but when I'm trying to I was trying to ask feedback or advice from the developer who have high career like 20 years, and they said like 8 people, and I and they literally said that the most important thing is computer science knowledge, the basic that is really basic and that's really important. So I was like, let's do it. So but I don't want to study like some kind of computer science by reading books and books. I mean, like, yeah, I could read books, but I mean I don't think that is uh yeah, I isn't that my type. So I'm just gonna try to make an operating system, not reading it. I'm just gonna be like practical. So this is it. And also let's try to read this here. And there's like, so the thing is that when you're trying to make operating system, you have to know that we are not allowed to rely on the some kind of library that use operating system feature like STD. STD is like print to your command line. So that kind of is the kind of thing is like directly associated with the operating system feature. So we have to not include the STD. So we're gonna put no STD, and also we can do use ownership system, but not rely on the operating system because there's a feature on the Rust. So what I think about what I what no what I know about origin system, what I understand about origin system is it's just like keeping immutability and immutability. Like in the JavaScript, you can reference like if there's one object, there's a lot of three variables. The three variable can reference the one object, right? So, but what I think of this Rust is it keeps on immutability. Immutability. I have to study first, but that's what I understand. So also the meaning of freestanding is like the program that runs on directly on the hardware. So that means like we're making a like bone structure of our operating system to work on it. And crates, CRATS here. This part is just a packet of Rust code. So so I think that's better. It's better to show the code of it. Visual Studio. Yeah, I think it's better to show the code of it. That will be more sufficient, more easily understandable. So that is like that. This is the result of like part one, and as you can see, there's no STD and no main. So the reason why we had to put no main is like it implies that when trying to use main like main function, it implies that you're using your entry point, which is gonna be main function, but which is gonna be executed in the main thread. But and before executing the main thread, there's a lot of things happening before main thread. So we're not gonna put main thread. We're just gonna put our own entry point, which is start. We're just gonna put so here like here external C. The reason why we put external here, yep, the reason why I put external here is because we're not gonna run on the I forgot the word, C host system, not the runtime system. We're not gonna use runtime systems, C runtime system, because we are directly communicate with the hardware. So we are building operating system, so we're not gonna use the C runtime system. We're just gonna use it. And the manger is the means that in the Rust it has it in some kind of name automatically. So that called Mango, but we're just gonna disable no Mango for this here. So linker is just the one who links to the like like module or some kind of library into program. So that's is the entry point, and the reason we put the panic handler is it just like custom error handler, but the reason we put error like panic handler at our custom error handler is because if we use the STD feature, we're just gonna we don't have to care about like error handler because STD is doing it for us. But the thing is that the panic handler is yeah here, but the thing is that we're not using STD, so we put no STD and the version and we put panic handler, right? So that means that we're just gonna create our custom error handler because of this. And yeah, runtime system is like environment which your code runs. And also what we're gonna make is our host system is gonna be a ARM system. Yeah. So the reason why we're because like some kind of yeah, ARM is like process architecture. I know there's like x86, but like for the desktop or the laptop, but I think it's more easy to use ARM system for that. So yeah, and also not this. Yeah, we're gonna. So the meaning of the th some kind of thing is that means like we're just gonna run this on the ARM system. That is the meaning of it. Yep. So yeah, I think this is it. So this was really pretty fast recap, but tomorrow but I have to go to my hometown. But I think I really don't have time for this, but still though. So next time, the tomorrow I'm just gonna talk about the right here. Where was it? So it's a minimal Rust kernel here. I'm just gonna read this whole thing. I'm just gonna read this and yeah, I think so, yeah, I'm just gonna do this stuff. This will be really really amazing because we're just gonna make our bootloader. Bootloader is the one who boot our system, our operating system or kernel. Yeah, so this is it. See you next time. Bye bye.